gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
We finally got another look at the iQOO 15T, and interestingly, this is the very first iQOO smartphone to carry a T branding. Ahead of its official launch on May 20th, we managed to get our hands on it for an early unboxing. So today, let's check out what's new, especially when it comes to the design and overall appearance.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Starting with the box, the packaging looks pretty much identical to previous iQOO devices, and here it is, the iQOO 15T. All right, time to open it up. There it is. One thing I was really curious about was whether iQOO would include the same L-shaped capsule charging cable that came with the iQOO 15 Ultra. But before checking that, let's quickly see what else is inside the box. Protective case here, and another accessory pack, plus the usual manuals and paperwork. Now for the cable. Wait. Nope, looks like it's still using the regular standard charging cable this time. The charger included is a 100-watt fast charger though, so that's still impressive. Now let's focus on the phone itself. Can you guess the color before I unwrap it? Let's peel this off first. And wow, this is the official Azure color option. The vibe of this color really stands out. The base is a soft light blue shade that feels calm and elegant, almost like an artistic ink wash painting. As light hits the back from different angles, you can notice layered textures appearing underneath the surface, and when you tilt it just right, subtle red reflections begin to show through gradually instead of changing suddenly. It creates a smooth transition effect that honestly resembles a sunset glow. The name Azure actually fits perfectly because the phone gives off this feeling of freedom and confidence, almost like reaching towards the sky. In some ways, this design reminds me of the zero sound color version of the iQOO 15, except that that model combined red and black tones, while this one mixes silver, blue, and hints of red. The contrast between the two styles is pretty obvious. The back panel feels extremely smooth in hand. It seems to use the same AG frosted glass process as the regular iQOO 15, giving it a soft, skin-friendly texture, while also resisting fingerprints really well. Looking at the camera module, the overall layout is almost identical to the iQOO 15 Ultra, but you can immediately tell one camera has been removed. It appears this model only keeps the main sensor and the ultra-wide lens. The periscope telephoto lens area on the right side has now been replaced by the flash and another sensor, although the camera module itself keeps the same base design. So visually, the 15T almost feels like a blend between the standard iQOO 15 and the iQOO 15 Ultra. Let me know what you think about this design. Moving around the phone, the top section includes a speaker and a secondary noise-canceling microphone. At the bottom, there's another speaker, the main microphone, a USB Type-C port, and the SIM tray. Even though the 15T is positioned more like a youthful version of the iQOO 15 series, it still comes with symmetrical dual speakers. Whether it uses the same dual 1511 speaker setup as the higher-end models is something we'll need to confirm during the official launch event. The frame uses the same matte low-temperature finish found on the iQOO 15, which feels premium in hand while also helping with grip and fingerprint resistance. It definitely delivers that flagship-style texture. We also brought out the regular iQOO 15 for a quick comparison. The overall dimensions are quite similar, although the 15T feels a little lighter in hand. The corner curves also seem slightly smaller. Another noticeable difference is around the camera area. On the regular iQOO 15, you can clearly spot the RGB light strip, but the 15T doesn't seem to include it, so it looks like the signature energy halo lighting effect has been removed on this model. And that's everything we can share for now about the iQOO 15T before launch. Make sure to stay tuned for the official event where we'll get the full specifications and details, which should happen on May 20th. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!